Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I stand before this august gathering to address 75th session of United Nations General Assembly as a representative of one of the 17th mega biodiversity countries in the world. Since time immemorial, India has a culture of not just conserving and protecting nature, but living in harmony with nature. The emergence of COVID-19 has emphasized the fact that unregulated exploitation of natural resources coupled with unsustainable food habits and consumption pattern lead to destruction system that supports human life. Excellencies, as enshrined in our Vedic script Prakriti Rakshite Rakshita, that is, if you protect nature, nature will protect you. Inspired by Mahatma Gandhi, the ethos of non-violence and protection of animals and nature have been suitably enshrined in Constitution of India and is reflected in several laws and legislations. It is due to these beliefs and efforts and the India's ethos, with only 2.5% of Earth's landmass, we have 8% of world's recorded biodiversity. In the course of last decade, India has enhanced the combined forest and tree cover by 15,000 square kilometers to reach nearly 25%. We now have the highest number of tigers, the Asiatic lions, and we have also launched Project Dolphins. India aims to restore 26 million hectares of degraded land and deforested land. We want to achieve land degradation neutrality by 2030. This is a target which shows our ambition. India has operationalized the system for access of benefit sharing provisions of CBD through a national network of 250,000 biodiversity management committees across the country involving local people, and we have already created 170,000 people's biodiversity register. So they are our foot soldiers and they are protecting the biodiversity and ensuring its growth. Excellencies, the post-2020 Global Biodiversity Framework that will be adopted at the 15th Conference of Parties in 2021 provides a good opportunity to enhance efforts to conserve and protect nature. India has already taken leadership role in order to conserve biodiversity by organizing 2 COPs within span of less than a year. We organized COP14 of UNCCD in Delhi and COP13 of Convention of Migratory Species, CMS, in Gandhinagar in 2020. India has been championing the cause of climate action through conservation, sustainable lifestyle, and green development model. Excellencies, on the occasion of 75th anniversary of the UN and the start of the UN Decade of Action and Delivery for Sustainable Development, let's join our efforts to put nature on a path to recovery and realize the vision of living in harmony with nature.